Welcome to our breathtaking sky view of Nazimabad, Karachi, captured from atop a building near Imtiaz supermarket. Prepare to be mesmerized as we soar above the bustling streets, capturing the vibrant essence of this lively neighborhood. From the bustling markets to the serene residential areas, join us on this visual journey to witness the beauty and charm of Nazimabad from a whole new perspective. As our drone glides effortlessly through the crisp blue skies, you'll witness the intricate web of life unfold beneath us. Marvel at the colorful rooftops dotting the landscape, each one telling a unique story of the families that call Nazimabad home. Watch as the sun casts its golden rays over the city, painting a picturesque scene that's simply unforgettable. From the lively street vendors hustling their wares to the children playing joyfully in the parks, every corner exudes a palpable energy that's impossible to resist. Zooming in closer, you'll catch glimpses of daily life, the laughter of friends sharing a meal, the hustle and bustle of commuters navigating the bustling thoroughfares. But our journey doesn't stop there. We'll take you on a whirlwind tour of Nazimabad's iconic landmarks, from the towering minarets of mosques to the intricate architecture of its historic buildings. Feel the heartbeat of the city as we pass by schools, hospitals, and community centers, each one a testament to the resilience and spirit of its people. And just when you think you've seen it all, we'll soar even higher, offering a panoramic view of the entire neighborhood sprawling beneath us. Take a moment to soak in the breathtaking vista, a patchwork of colors, textures, and stories waiting to be discovered. Join us as we unlock the secrets of Nazimabad, inviting you to experience its beauty and charm like never before. So sit back, relax, and let us whisk you away on this mesmerizing journey through the skies of Karachi's beloved neighborhood. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for more thrilling adventures from above.